Hi there, today I will be cleaning up the entire fade using my 0.5 guide. The lever is at the 0 position, ensuring that everything is trimmed to the desired length. As you can see, this is a day-long operation. We need to do what is necessary to ensure the entire underneath is as neat and even. Moving on, my next stop is with 1.5 guard. The lever is set to the full lever position and I'm creating a 1-inch guard line or possible more. As I proceed with this guard line, I'm carefully maintaining consistency throughout the entire process. Now, using the number 2 guard with the lever at the full position, I'm not introducing a new guard line. Instead, I'm using the guard under the knuckles to lift and flick into the longer head, all while keeping my client's natural hair intact. Now, I'm switching back to the 1.5 guard for a refining moment, ensuring that the guard above flows seamlessly. Continuing the process, I will be using the number 1 guard with the lever set to the full position. I'm aiming to soften the line and incorporate the half guard to create a noticeable change. Here is the 0.5 guard. I'm starting with the lever at the full position. This marks a refining phase for the fade. As you can see, the fade is coming together, which is our ultimate goal. Notice that I will be alternating between the 0.5 guard, moving from a full length position to a 3/4 position. This ensures that all the elements came together as intended. Welcome to Classic Barber Academy. You have go-to channel for everything haircut related, from in-depth tutorial to unboxing and review of the latest equipment. This channel has got you covered. Join me as I explore all the art of barbering and stay up to date with the best tools in the industry. Hit that subscribe button. Let's embark on a journey of a grooming excellence together.